All right, so you're in Romania, or you're planning to be, and you're probably finding out that the financial system, well, it can feel like a bit of a maze, right? Today, we're going to tackle one of the most important pieces of that puzzle, the NIF.
Okay, picture this. You've just touched down in beautiful Romania. You're excited, ready to get your life started. First stop, the bank. You walk in, super confident, ready to open an account, and then, bam!
You hit a brick wall, and it's not a physical one, it's a bureaucratic one. Believe me, this is a super common, super frustrating experience for so many foreigners. It's usually that first big clue that you're missing something really important.
And listen, this isn't just about getting a bank account. It's much bigger than that. We could almost call it Romania's financial wall. Because without the right piece of paper, a whole bunch of essential stuff, financial, legal, is just off limits.
Yeah, we're talking about the big stuff here. Things like signing a job contract, starting a business, paying your taxes the right way, even owning property. These are not small hiccups, you know? They are massive roadblocks that stop you from really setting up your life there. But, okay, don't worry. There is a key that unlocks this whole system, and that key is the NIF.
So what on earth is a NIF? Well, the fancy name is Număr de Identificare Fiscală. Basically, it's your personal tax ID number. The Romanian tax authority, they're called NIF, gives it to foreigners who need to deal with taxes in Romania. You can really think of it as your golden ticket into the country's financial world.
So, what exactly does this magic key unlock? Well, you remember all those roadblocks we just listed? Getting a NIF just smashes right through them. Suddenly, you can open that bank account. You can sign legal contracts. You have everything you need to do things by the book and stay on the right side of the law.
Okay, now here's a really important part, because this is where a lot of people get tripped up. You're probably going to hear about another number called a CNP. Let's make sure we clear up the confusion between a NIF and a CNP right now.
Honestly, the difference is pretty straightforward when you break it down. The NIF, that's for foreigners, and its whole job is about taxes. The CNP, on the other hand, that stands for Code Numeric Personal, is for Romanian citizens. It's their main ID number for everything. Now, for a citizen, their CNP also works as their tax ID. So the NIF is really just the special tool they made for us foreigners who need to be in the tax system but don't have a CNP.
And it all connects, you see. If you end up staying in Romania long-term and get a residence permit, you'll eventually be given your very own CNP. And once that happens, the tax people just swap them out. Your NIF gets replaced by your new CNP in their system. So you can think of the NIF as a temporary bridge to get you started, before you're a full-fledged resident. All right, so we've established you need one. The big question now is, how the heck do you actually get your hands on it? Let's break down the whole application process step by step.
First up, you've got to get your paperwork in order. The checklist here shows you the essentials. You absolutely need a copy of your passport, no surprise there. You also need proof of where you're living in Romania. Then there's the main application form, which is usually Form 030. And, depending on your reason for being there, you might need extra stuff, like an employment contract to show them why you need a NIF in the first place.
The process itself looks pretty simple, right? At least on paper. You get your documents together, you fill out the form, you take it down to an NIF office, they do their thing, and boom, you get your NIF. Now, I say it sounds simple, but we all know bureaucracy can be a whole other story. We'll get to that in a sec.
All right, let's say you've done it. You've got your NIF. Awesome. But hold on. Getting the number is only half the battle. Now you got to know what to do with it.
So here's the bottom line. Your NIF is your personal hotline to the Romanian tax system. From this moment on, every single time you do anything related to taxes, we're talking income tax, property tax, you name it, that NIF number has to be on it.
And that leads us to your responsibilities. Because yeah, you have some now. It's not just about slapping the number on a form. You need to actually understand what taxes you owe. You got to keep that number safe, treat it like your passport. And this one is huge. If your details change, especially your address, you have to tell NIF. That's a big deal. Okay, let's be real. Life isn't perfect, and neither is bureaucracy. Things can go wrong. So let's get ahead of the game and talk about a few common problems you might run into, and more importantly, how you can fix them.
So a classic one is hitting a roadblock during the application. Maybe it's taking forever, or they tell you a document is wrong or missing. And let's not forget the language barrier, which can make a trip to the NIF office feel pretty intimidating to say the least.
The best way to deal with this? Be prepared.
I mean, double, triple, quadruple check every single piece of paper before you go. Make sure it's all perfect. And hey, if you're just totally overwhelmed by it all, it can be a lifesaver to hire a local expert or a proxy to just handle the whole headache for you.
Here's another one to watch out for: finding a mistake after you get your NIF. Maybe they spelled your name wrong or got your address mixed up. It might seem like a tiny typo, but trust me, that little error can turn into a massive headache later on when you're trying to file taxes.
The fix? Jump on it. The second you see a mistake, you've got to file a written request with NIF to get it corrected. And yeah, it usually means filling out that same Form 30 all over again, just to change your details. The key is, don't put it off. Deal with it right away.
And that just about wraps it up. We've seen how this little number, the NIF, is really the master key to unlocking your financial and legal life in Romania. It takes all those brick walls and turns them into open doors. So I guess the only question left for you is, now that you've got the key, what are you going to unlock first?